Hi Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 12th of... Why I want to say April? Who born the 12th of April? Or something significant happened on the 12th of April, okay? For the 12th of June, Capricorn. In Jamaica, there's a little thing when new baby born, you must tie one red string around them hand. First gear, second gear, third gear, right? So I always felt like that was why I tie string on a baby hand for. You already have cotton the navel string. Why you gone back to try tying another string? I feel like a lot of Jamaicans knew that witchcraft was happening on their babies. See, Jamaicans can act like they're Christians all them want, but they should know that when they're doing their witchcraft, they include the fucking Bible. Don't you know they have to do protection work so that fuck don't come back at them, right? Okay, cool. So I'm doing this for you, baby, or I'm doing this for you, okay? I don't know why I wanted to do that, okay? I'm trying to talk to you and you're not trying to talk to me. I don't understand. We can't bother. Capricorn, I'm also getting somebody paid a witch doctor to kill somebody, right? And no, you can't see the dead body. Oh no, the body can't show up. So I don't know if that witch doctor have to give about the money. Especially in these times where you need to afford rent, you're gonna pay a witch doctor for kill other people and your rent due, okay? Me getting Capricorn like give one woman enough money. This could be via Western Union. You know the stories online about the people and when you want to pay a witch doctor to kill people, you send them money through Western Union, or Western Union have the deliverance for the money, right? But yeah, me getting you send somebody enough money and they were supposed to make somebody sick or chaos magic. The person was supposed to dead. And me getting the person no dead yet. The witch doctor keep telling you, yeah man, it's so happen, man. But I'm also getting what's protecting you is if you're more natural than the witch doctor, then any herbs them I use can kill you. Like if you don't rely on certain things, forget certain things, then whatever the witch doctor do, it not gonna kill you. It might affect you. It might line in the hospital, or chaos magic around you might farm these magnetic behaviors, you understand? But me getting all no, you're not dead yet. All no. So I don't know, they might have to go take out a loan for pay you back for all the money that you spent on trying to kill somebody, Capricorn. I don't know what the fuck that is, Capricorn. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Also, Capricorn, you're the devil, right? I do want to say hi, big ups, and thank you to Douglas Allen. Yes, he was my first subscriber. Could be a she. First subscriber. He subscribed to my channel December 23rd, 2022. Big up yourself, sir. You have stood with me through thick and thin. You saw it. You said, you know what? She's gonna make history, and that's exactly what she's doing, right? And him still subscribed to me, or her. So thank you so much for the subscription. Also to Therese Allen, that's my newest subscriber. She subscribed a few days ago. Over time you will see that this is my personality, and you'll see that I only mean good for you, okay? So welcome to the family, and I hope I can be of service to you. All right, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Capricorn. Or maybe you're a Capricorn, someone's a Capricorn, somebody very close to you is a Capricorn. The devil. Oh, also going back to the message, yeah, I feel like the witch, that's like I feel like somebody that tried to perform a spell on you, but you're natural. You're more natural than the person who's trying to cast a spell on you, or something like that. We have the Emperor. Ooh, I'm trying to talk to you and you're not trying to talk to me. I'm not understand. I can't bother. I'm getting the Emperor is showing up. Aries. We have the Moon card. I'm getting the Emperor is watching you. You know that the Emperor is watching your every move. He's watching you when the cameras are not watching you. Jesus Christ. We got the Ace of Swords. Wands. We're getting more Emperor watching in the nights. And we got the Six of Cups. We're getting somebody you used to talk to. This could be somebody you used to have sex with. We're getting in the nights and I think about you, or them thinking about apologizing to you. Now I feel like someone's apology is kind of influenced by the fact that they want to make love to you. I don't know if somebody never did before, or somebody did in the past and they're like, I can't stop thinking about it. I'm getting somebody want to reconciliate with you, right? What I'm getting is more for passionate and sexual reasons, okay? But this could also be somebody want to reconcile with you. There we go. Him telling me I need to put my subscribe. So, okay, wait, Queenie, calm down. Him said I can't revenue until I get my subscribe. Queenie, shut up. Him said I cannot revenue until I get my subscriptions up. Thank you very much, right? This could also be he want to reconcile with you, but him don't want you think that, hey, me I run into this because of sex. That's not what them want. That's not what I'm looking for. All right? Don't feel pressured. I'll be here for a long time. That's a good time, okay? Or something like that. All right? But I'm getting the Emperor. The Emperor likes to watch you in the night. I'm getting somebody treat you so cold. Somebody treat you so bad. They don't even look on you. They probably mean to you in public too. But I'm getting the person's a fan of you. Are them watch you? Are them like you? So why are you fucking mean? Is that how you treat your daughters? Huh? You show them that your daddy loves you. Now go out there and work and pay rent. What the fuck? What the fuck? No. I don't want to do that. I just want to be. We got a star card. I'm getting something about the Emperor is a fan. Something about the star card. Or maybe if the Emperor tell you that, oh, I'm a fan of you, it makes the Emperor in a subservient position. Like, why would I tell? You ever hear Jay-Z say, who Jay-Z say he's a big fan of? Oh, no, they're dead. What the fuck you talking about? He's Hove. He's still hovering. You know what the fuck I mean? I'm getting everybody, if the Emperor say, I'm a fan of you, you're going to be like, you watch me. So if you watch me, I'm a blood clot. Let me fucking tell all on something. All on shit. And this is all my first subscriber, Alan. Let me tell you all of this. Is something, right? You see, when me I read, listen to me, I don't plan to be in this rat race, right? Unless the rat that is assigned to me is blood clot Mickey Mouse, until I have my Disneyland for myself. You know, sister, Michael Jackson did have a land for himself, you know, dirty blood clots, you know. When a dirty blood clots, Michael Jackson had Neverland. Can you imagine if he returned that in our museum park and he was there all the time? Oh, he would have outdo Disneyland. Michael Jackson could have afforded Disneyland, you know that? This is very concerning money. And I don't think him even knew how much money he actually did have. I think him just know yes or no. Anyways, this is what I'm saying, this is what I'm seeing, and I'm getting, yeah, somebody like you. Maybe more than I even know, alright? When listen to me, I want to read for the celebrities, you get me? I don't just want to be a reader where fans buck up on me and see me. I say, oh my god, this girl can read. Me want be the person Hollywood watch when Hollywood needs something for watch. You get me? You get what I mean? You get what I mean? I'm supposed to be entertaining the elites. I'm supposed to be entertaining the bloodlines. I'm supposed to be telling you what's happening with your artist so you can say, oh, okay, don't trust that girl. I'm also getting something about a new song with Megan Thee Stallion and this man, or something about she want. I don't know if she want to change her producer, or I'm getting the person who is currently producing or who she currently under. See, I'm the person who's supposed to give you this information. I'm not just a... I said, I know that you want to go back to him, but your heart is telling you to stay away. Stay away, but stay away from this initiation unless you want to get cut. Let's go again. We got the Page of Wands. We got the Empress. Yes! Clarifying the Ace of Wands. And we got the Four of Pentacles. Me getting somebody can't think about you seeing you naked. When them see you, them just picture you naked. If them hear your voice and picture you naked, me feel like someone's an emperor, but them really. This could also be. I'm gonna be very honest with you. I feel like somebody want to date you or you and somebody will be intimate. And before you be intimate, somebody will say you have to take off all of your clothes. And then they'll say why, then they'll say you have to take off all of your clothes. Because we need to see if you have a dick or not. And the emperor is going to be in full clothes. But you're going to say, well, you want me to take off my clothes. And they must say, take off your clothes. You need to take off you have to get naked in front of me. Take off your clothes from now. I'm not in no kiss or hugging. And all of this shit. And then when I take off your clothes, I don't know what the fuck I can say. So maybe there's something about a rumor, right? Because I'm getting you have to get naked in front of the emperor. Because I need to determine something or not. Are you a pretty face, or is that not? Is that enhanced with something? And it's not fucking filter. It's enhanced with something. So yeah, I'm going to leave it here. Who am I doing? I'm gonna leave it here. It's not Aries. I had my list. Capricorn. I'm doing Capricorn actually. Capricorn, I'm gonna leave it here. Capricorn also, you know what I want to say? A big ups to Capricorn. You understand? Big ups to my viewers. You understand? United States. Thank you so much for viewing my content whenever you can. Indonesia, big up on yourself. Philippines, you don't know. India. The new one that I just came across, okay, excuse my pronunciation. Sivak, right? Lativa. So my views from Lativa, okay? Think that's what it is. Sivak, if that's how it's pronounced. Vietnam, you don't know. Netherlands, Morocco, and the last person who we cannot forget, even though I get the lowest views out of this list, is Canada. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.